Money. Conversion of rupees into paise and vice versa. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise and 1 paisa is 1 by 100 rupee. To convert rupees into paise, multiply rupees by 100. To convert paise into rupees, divide paise by 100. Example: convert rupee 10.31 into paise. Rupee 10.31 is equal to 10 rupees and 31 paise. We multiply them by 100 and add 31 paise, which makes 1031 paise. Example: convert 5365 paise into rupees. 5365 paise when divided by 100 makes 53 rupees and 65 paise. Adding and subtracting money. While adding money, we always add rupees to rupees and paise to paise. Example: add rupees 4230.51 and rupees 320.63. By adding money into their respective columns, we get rupees 4551.14. While subtracting money, we always subtract rupees from rupees and paise from paise. Example: subtract rupees 1224.76 from rupees 4657.32. While borrowing from rupees column to the paise column, we consider it as 100. Hence, we get the difference 3432.56 rupees. Multiplying money. We can multiply money by removing the dot in the usual manner and putting the dot in the product after two places from the right. Example: multiply rupees 1251.43 by 15. Place the numbers in the columns as shown here. The product of 1,25,143 and 15 is 18,77,145. Now place the dot in the product after two places from the right. Hence, the product is rupees 18,771.45. Dividing money. We can divide money by removing the dot in the usual manner and putting the dot in the quotient after two places, starting from the right. Example: divide rupees 456.64 by 4. Remove the dot and divide 45,656 by 4. Hence, the quotient is equal to 11,416 and the remainder is equal to 0. Now on placing dot after two places from the right, we get the quotient 114.16. Hence, rupees 456.64 divided by 4 equals rupees 114.16. Word problems. Problem 1. Anil bought a refrigerator for rupees 15,456.50 and a microwave for rupees 9,245.25. Find the total money spent by him. Let us write the information given in the problem. Cost of the refrigerator equals rupees 15,456.50. Cost of the microwave equals rupees 9,245.25. Total amount spent by the man equals rupees 24,701.75. Problem 2. If the cost of a notebook is rupees 150.75, then what will be the cost of 15 such notebooks? the cost of one notebook is equal to 150 rupees and 75 paise. Number of notebooks is equal to 15. Therefore, the cost of 15 notebooks is equal to rupees 2261.25. Preparing bill. A bill is a written statement showing the details of the goods or services bought or sold. We receive the bill from the shopkeeper with all the information, such as the items purchased, their prices, and the total amount to be paid. Example: Seema went to the stationery shop and bought some items. The shopkeeper gave her a bill for the items she had purchased. Find the errors in the bill and estimate the correct amount. On checking the bill, she finds that the total amount of pencils written in the bill is rupees 60, but the correct amount is rupees 5 into 10 equals rupees 50. The total amount of erasers written in the bill is rupees 32, but the correct amount is rupees 15 into 2 is equal to rupees 30. Hence, the correct total amount of the bill equals to rupees 306.25 minus rupees 60 minus rupees 32 plus rupees 50 plus rupees 30 equals to rupees 294.25.